It's me, Aiden Fudge, and today we are back with another viggity video. And today we are doing a Nerf battle. Hashtag awesome room. No one has an awesomer room than me. Look at all these posters. But I got a dumb daddies right there. Look at that, a dragon poster right next to my fearless eagle. I should call you guys the fearless eagles. Comment down below if you guys think so. So we're doing a Nerf video. We're each gonna have one grenade, a gun, and a melee weapon. And we each have 3 lives. The grenade does 2 lives. The bullets do 1 life. And let's get this started. So you guys want to toss that out? Hey y'all, what up? So we're back. This is my setup. I have a golden mask. Here's my gun. And here's my melee. That's my dad. So I'm going to be hiding back here. My dad's going to be hiding behind those. Can you guys see me over here? I might need to turn on the hallway light. Let's see this.
There we go.
So I'm going to be hiding right here. My dad's going to be hiding right there. 3, 2, 1, Nerf battle! That's just called wasting bullets. You don't even have a full stop.
Come get me, sucker.
Look at how many bullets you have.
Oh, man. Come get me, dude.
I think you'll regret saying that. Ooh, that was so close. Scope off. What the heck? It didn't even fire. Hold on. Stop. Stop.
Freeze!
My gun.
What happened? Jammed up?
The bullets.
Stuck?
Hold on, guys. Pause. We both have the same amount. Wait, did I hit you when I came out on the shot? Okay, so you have 2 lives and I have 1.
No, I have 1.
No?
Yeah, because I haven't hit you.
We have 3 lives.
Oh, I have 2. You have 3.
Yeah.
I haven't hit you yet.
Yeah, so I have 3.
Here. Put it in backwards.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. No, you didn't. Huh.
That bullet must be bad then.
Yep. That's a bad bullet there. Ooh, that one don't go to this one. Here.
Something stuck inside of it.
Talk to your workers while I do this.
So guys, here's what's gonna have to happen. I'm gonna have to take the green bullets. He's gonna have to take the blue bullets. So I have to find all my green bullets. This. Well, I can only use green bullets, I think. We'll try using a different bullet. Of the same color. I'm gonna try using a different bullet because that bullet is gonna be bad. So guys, there are technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
So that bullet's bad.
Where's my gun? I need some bullets too. I'm out.
So go grab some bullets.
I'm out, man.
But you can't take the green bullets. Those I have to use. Well, it doesn't shoot as far. I'll try it again and see if it works. green bullets. Hold on, guys. We have to sit there for a
Give me
minute.
the blue bullet. Green, right there.
Hold on, guys. You'll be sitting there for a little while. I'm collecting bullets. Yeah, you talk to them.
So while he's finding bullets, I'm already loaded and ready to go. So I might shoot him just for the fun of it while he's looking. Come out of that bedroom.
In a sec.
Come out of that bedroom now.
In a sec.
I said no!
And I said in a sec.
One!
Saw that coming. Hey! Okay, so I might have to use this gun.
Okay.
Because this gun can take. Oh.
It's broke.
Well, I only have so many green bullets.
Okay. We're only doing this for so long. Let's go. I'm about to quit.
Okay, so you take your ice one, I'm gonna go take mine.
Get your mask so your face is protected.
Hold on, let's see if there's any more green. Yup, there's another green bullet over here. Just as I suspected.
There's another one right there by the bike.
Here's.
Underneath the back tire.
Okay, guys, we're gonna start in 10. Not that go hide. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zero. Fail.
You cannot catch me. I am fast as lightning.
We are so close.
Hit me.
Yup. Oh, fuck, I forgot. I'm not loaded. Hit me already! You have 1 life and I have 2. Fail.
Are you ready for the master?
Are you ready for death?
Can you not reload fast enough?
No, but I can throw a grenade fast enough.
Oh.
Round 1, Aiden wins. Hold on.
Good game.
We collect bullets. And then, get ready for round 2.
No, that's enough.
No,
Hey,
we're doing 2 rounds.
all my bullets are out there.
Come get your bullets. My bullets are over there, I think. Actually, I only shot 2 bullets. I'm gonna throw the grenade. Well, I'm already. I just need to wait for you. You guys still recording? Okay. So, we're doing 1 more round if I win this round. If I lose this round, number 3 is the tiebreaker.
Want your bomb back?
Yes. You forgot your melee weapon out here. I don't need a melee weapon. Okay, now we switch spots. I get back here, you get over there.
That's one.
What?
Oh, it didn't shoot. Oh!
What?
What?
What? Oh, your bullet's not working.
Oh! Oh! Right in the gut.
Who's winning?
We're tied right now.
Okay. What? It's not loaded in the correct spot. No,
That's 2-1.
Ooh, you want to stop me?
Oh! No, I give up. I give up. Don't shoot me. Ha ha.
Ah!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
But
Pick up your weapon. Pick it up.
oh. Now to see who wins. The final round.
Touche.
The final round. We have 10 seconds to get all ready.
My bullet's back there, man. I got one bullet. I'm gonna die.
I'll let you collect more bullets.
That didn't work.
I'll let you collect more.
I got some.
Okay. Okay, I have my new hiding spot. You go get yours. This time, no mask. Headshots are allowed.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Let's do it. Let's do this.
I found a memory crate.
Cool.
So now I have my attachment and a melee weapon. You know what that means?
That means I'm about to shoot your ass.
Oh my god. I'm going straight for you! X2, give it to you!
Oh!
Knock, knock, open up the door of the pail!
Ooh.
Fail.
You can't touch me. I am the king.
And I can shoot you.
Oh! Oh, right in the face.
But my scope's off.
Oh, you're about to die now. Come out here where I can see you. Fight like a man.
Okay. Come on.
I just blew your gun up. I'm on the bullets, man. I give up. I give up. Bam! I'm on the bullets, man. Mommy!
Here. Now let's fight like a man. How much health do you have?
I got lots of health.
What?
I have reloaded. I got 2.
I have 1. Let's fight.
Draw.
No. We are going to fight like men. We're each going to stay right here. And we're each going to fight. The Lord has spoken! No guns! Melee weapon only. We each have 1 power. You can use it only once. My power is to switch weapons whenever I want.
My power is to win.
Too bad. It's like that power's not going to work.
Ha!
Ooh, I'm breaking you.
Oh!
Good thing the knife can't come out. Oh. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck in there. Come on, fight like a man. I use my power.
I use my power.
I switch weapons with you. That's my power. I really broke this. Hold on, I gotta hit it this way. Just see if it can get back together. Get back.
Whew. Time to turn on the AC. No! We don't fight with real swords.
Oh, I own you.
Oh.